Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ink transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut app and add the video that you wanted to edit, you just click on a box white icon for add the ink transition effect. And after this, you can swipe until you can see mouse, and then you can click on the mouse. And after this, you can swipe until you can see ink transition effect, this one, so you just click on it. And after this, you can set the duration for the transition. So okay, please waiting. Okay, and after this, you can set the duration for the transition, so you just swipe left or right this icon like this. And after this, you can click on apply to all for add the transition to all videos. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add ink transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.